Hi, Jenny here. I made a couple of fruit salads a couple weeks ago and they were so good that I wanted to make another one. So today we are going to make some pistachio fruit fluff. Let's get started. For this recipe we are going to need 1 3-ounce box of pistachio pudding mix, 20 ounces of crushed pineapple in juice, 15 ounces of fruit cocktail that we will drain, 11 ounces of mandarin oranges that we will drain, 2 large bananas, 12 ounces of Cool Whip thawed, and 2 cups of mini marshmallows. We are going to need the juice from the crushed pineapple, so I'm going to leave that can alone. And then we are going to drain our fruit cocktail and our mandarin oranges. So you can just drain them with a strainer over the sink and toss the juice, or like me, I like to drink the juice, so I save it. So I'll just drain this into a container, then I can pour it into a cup. We will now dump our pistachio pudding mix into our bowl, and then we're going to mix that up with our pineapple. Ooh, it's turning a fun green. Next, cut up the bananas and put those in the mixture. The pineapple juice that's in there will help keep the bananas from turning brown. Now we will just add the rest of the ingredients. So we have our container of Cool Whip, our fruit, and then the 2 cups of mini marshmallows. Once the salad is well mixed, you want to cover it with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for at least an hour or so, or until you're ready to eat it. So there you have it. Another quick and easy fruit salad that you can either eat at home or take with you to share with some friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. Almost at 400 subscribers. Woo! So exciting. Anyways, I will leave the recipe for this down in the description below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've had this type of salad before. Another name for it is the Watergate Salad, so maybe you've heard it as that way instead of pistachio fruit fluff. But in any case, I'm going to enjoy my snack. You guys keep it positive, go make a great day. Bye-bye! The pistachio flavor right away. The sweetness of the fruit. Ooh, that's good. Delicious.